In this video, I'll talk about a powerful new feature in our unified security operations experience, case management. This feature is designed to make your security operations easier, more efficient, and more collaborative. You can create your own case workflow, connect multiple instances to a single case, keep track of changes, and collaborate within cases. I'll demo all this in a second, but you can find case management as a new blade in the unified platform under the heading Cases. In this environment, some cases are already being worked on, as you can see. You can filter and search in these cases. Even customize the columns that you want to see in this overview. A summary of each case is available when you click the case, but let's start this demo by creating a new case. The SOC team just notified me that strange processes are showing up, specifically WMI processes, in our environment. Let's create a new case to investigate alerts, identify the root causes, and create measures to prevent future occurrences. First, I define the basic elements, such as the title, and set the SLA to 1 week. When I open the case, I can see everything I've just configured in the left-hand panel. Tracking shows me who last updated the case and when. With case management, I can also create custom statuses for the environment. For example, I'll create a status that indicates that the case is new and has been assigned to me. Now that the case has been created and assigned, let's look at the activity log. I'll add a comment indicating that I've officially started to work on this case, and then add comments, which will be stored in the activity log. More and more activities will appear in this window as I carry out the investigations, and other team members will be able to filter for certain activity types. Now, this case was created because the SOC team notified me that a suspicious process is happening. I want to link the instance that triggered creation of this case, but when I select the Linked Instance tab, it's empty. So, let's search for the right incident. I filter, then search. Then, I'll add the relevant information. You can link multiple instances at once, and later, you can also unlink them if you need to. You can also link them from the instance page itself, but that's not what I'm showing here. So, now that the instance is linked, let's go back to the overview page. Here you can see the description and the case details. I'll add a couple of tasks to help with the investigation. The first task is to review the alert. It was assigned to me, and it should be done by tomorrow. I've completed this task, so I can check it off. I can then add another task, for example, one that focuses on checking the input. I'll add one more task that I'll set to low priority and assign to myself. Because I already looked at the alert, it's a lower task. I'll say that this task is in progress. You can see that all the tasks have been added to the activity log, and you can also filter on your tasks based on which ones you still need to complete, which ones are new, or which ones you skipped. This concludes my quick rundown of case management capabilities. Keep in mind that this is just an introductory set of features, but they will be the foundation for future capabilities. Visit Microsoft Learn or our tech community to learn more and sign up for updates.